I'm gonna provide the link in the description, and you just need to sign in. So since I'm already signed in, I already have an account, and those are the list of the apps that I already made. But for you guys, you just need to type on get started, and you're gonna sign in with any provider you want. So Google, Microsoft, Apple, Dropbox, Smartsheet Box, and same forth. In my case, I used just my Google email. Okay. So for example, if you type this, they will direct you straight away to like select your account, and that's it. You're just gonna follow, how to say, like follow the instruction, and it's gonna open for you a new account. So I'm not gonna go through this because it's kinda easy to do. So I'm gonna straight to sign in since I already have an account. Okay. And when I'm in sign in, so basically this is the list of the apps and the name of the apps that I already created. You will not have this, probably it will be empty for you guys. So you will not have the list of the app you created. So you're gonna go straight to create new. Okay, recent. So here you have the list of the apps that you created, and here you have the list of the databases that you created. Because basically you can create a database and link it to the app that you create. And okay, share with me, owned by me, and some templates.